Create ZenGo account. Welcome to our guide on creating a ZenGo account. ZenGo is a cryptocurrency wallet that offers a simple and secure way to manage your digital assets. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to create your ZenGo account so you can start using the platform to securely store and manage your cryptocurrencies. Open your web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the search bar, type Create ZenGo account and press enter. Tap on the official ZenGo Wallet Bitcoin link from the ZenGo app itself. On the options, you can download the ZenGo app and open it on your device. Follow the prompts to set up your ZenGo account too. This involves entering your email address, setting up a new password, and optionally entering a referral code if you have one. Additionally, ZenGo may require you to set up your Face ID or another form of biometric authentication for added security. After you've entered it all, then you can review and confirm your details to complete the account creation process. And that's it. You've successfully created your ZenGo account. You can use it to manage your digital assets now.
If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.